Imagine a world covered in ice. No rivers, no green forests, no cities, just a frozen shell stretching as far as the eye can see. Sounds lifeless, right? But what if, beneath that shell of ice, there was a hidden ocean, bigger than all the oceans on Earth combined? This is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, and scientists believe it might be the best place in our solar system to find alien life. So, could this icy world actually be hiding an ocean full of secrets and maybe even living creatures? Let's dive in. What is Europa? Europa is one of Jupiter's four largest moons, discovered by Galileo back in 1610. It's about the size of our own moon, but that's where the similarities end. At first glance, Europa looks like a giant white marble. Its surface is a sheet of ice crisscrossed with reddish cracks, like scars on frozen glass. But scientists believe this icy crust is only a few kilometers thick, and beneath it lies a massive ocean of salty water. The hidden ocean. So, how do we know there's water under the ice? Well, spacecraft like NASA's Galileo probe picked up magnetic signals that suggest a salty, liquid ocean beneath the frozen shell. And here's the incredible part: that ocean could be 100 kilometers deep. That's 10 times deeper than the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest ocean. In fact, Europa's hidden ocean might have twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Water is one of the key ingredients for life, and Europa has it in abundance. Could life survive there? Okay, but water alone isn't enough. Life also needs energy. On Earth, most life gets energy from the sun, but sunlight barely reaches Europa's ocean, trapped under kilometers of ice. So where could energy come from? Scientists think it might come from below. Europa's ocean floor could have hydrothermal vents, hot cracks where heat from the moon's rocky core seeps into the water. On Earth, hydrothermal vents are home to entire ecosystems. Giant tube worms, crabs, and bacteria all thriving in complete darkness. If Europa has similar vents, then life could exist there too. Not little green aliens, but maybe simple microbes or even strange ocean creatures. Evidence on the surface. But there's more. In recent years, the Hubble Space Telescope has spotted what looks like giant plumes of water vapor shooting out from Europa's surface. Imagine geysers blasting through cracks in the ice, spewing ocean water into space. If those plumes are real, it means we might be able to study Europa's ocean without drilling through the ice. We could just fly a spacecraft through the plumes and analyze the water. That's exactly what future missions plan to do. The missions to Europa. NASA is preparing a mission called Europa Clipper set to launch in the 2020s. This spacecraft will orbit Jupiter and make dozens of flybys around Europa. It'll scan the ice, study the plumes, and search for signs of habitability. There's also talk of future landers, robots that could touch down on the ice, drill through, and maybe even send a probe into the ocean itself. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than we think. Why Europa matters? Because if life exists there, even in its simplest form, it would change everything. It would prove that Earth isn't special, that life can emerge in other worlds under completely different conditions. So here's the big question: if we do find life in Europa's oceans, what will it look like? Tiny microbes, strange deep sea creatures, or something even beyond imagination? Let me know what you think in the comments, and stick around and subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, we're heading to the farthest frontiers of space itself, the very edge of the universe, to explore what lies beyond.